Did you hear the sound? Did you hear this sound of tide? I'm in front of Hojo Kaigan Beach in Tateyama. You cannot see it's in night. That's why you can't see anything but the light. But listen to the sound. Isn't it beautiful? I love this sound of tide that makes me feel calm down. Is it beautiful?